According to the International Energy Agencies and the US Energy Information Administration, coal will continue to meet most of the world's increasing energy needs over the next 2 decades minimum. The demand of the coal is projected to increase substantially over the next several decades. Friends, ours is a growing country in terms of population and GDP. Still, it is noteworthy that our per capita CO2 emission is only 1.9 tons, contributing only to 6.8% of global emissions. Since the coal is the cheapest source to generate the electricity and light up the homes over 130 crore Indians, it provides the opportunity for achieving the continual economic growth, increased income, higher living standards, poverty reduction. I often say that we should make the maximum use of our coal reserve while shifting to cleaner forms of energy. We cannot crush the energy aspiration of this nation in our quest to follow the West. The country has overcome that mindset when it chose Sri Narendra Modi ji to power in 2014 and then again gave a thumping majority in 2019. In fact, commercial coal mining is a great example how the Modi government functions. We assured the transparency in the sector, liberalized the coal, offered the incentive on coal gasification and coal liquefaction, conducted the auction smoothly and fairly. Thus, the sector, which stood underutilized for several decades, stands completely unleashed now. On the occasion of agreement execution ceremony, let me appeal to all states to facilitate the opening of all these mines so that India could make use of abundant coal resource. It will help our nation to become Atmanirbhar in coal. It is impossible to operate an industry or even grow the crops without using some form of energy. And energy will continue to mean coal for several decades. Coal, though its role in electricity generation and production of steel and cement will continue to be significant contributor to development, the new India we are building has a coal at its foundation. Presence of the top leaders today from the companies that got around 19 coal blocks is testimonial that coal, although has a finite life, but will continue to play a major role in country's energy mix. It also shows how far we have traversed from policy paralysis in earlier regimes to boosting the ease of business in Modi government. Friends, Honorable Amit Shah ji will be launching the single window clearance portal today. Presently, about 19 major approvals or clearances are required before starting the coal mine in the country. In the absence of unified platform for the grant of clearances, the companies were required to approach different departments, leading to delay in operationalization of the coal mines. Now, the complete process shall be facilitated through single window clearance portal in a phased way.
न्यूज टॉप 9 रोज सुबह 7 बजे और शाम 7 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर।